Today we are looking into Hostinger. It's an all-in-one web hosting platform offering website builder, WordPress hosting and full VPS infrastructure. With their new one-click OpenClaw setup, even non-technical users can get started in minutes. Let's go in. So first you go on hostinger.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. Hostinger is a web hosting platform that lets you run websites, apps and servers without managing infrastructure. It offers so many services like shared hosting, VPS, domains and tools to deploy software quickly. In practice, you use it to build your website. You can also do it by a website builder or WordPress, or do it by your own with VPS hosting. Hostinger also offers a one-click OpenClaw setup, which removes almost all technical setup for running an AI agent. OpenClaw is an open source AI agent that can perform tasks, not just chat. It can automate your workflows, send messages, manage tasks and also interacts with tools like Telegram, WhatsApp and more. But let's not waste any time. Click on my account. After signing up, you come to this page here. Here is your panel where you can see your plans or domains. In this video, we will build a website by WordPress, by website builder and manually via VPS. And we're also looking into the OpenClaw setup. So first choose your plans. In my case, I have a business plan and I want to create a website by website builder. We just hit setup. It's for myself. I want to create a website. Now we can choose between WordPress, website builder or Horizons. Let's try the website builder first. Here we can choose the domain name for our website. We already created one, ig.tech. Hit next. And this is very interesting here. Hostinger also offers an AI agent here to create your desired website. Let's choose something here like launch a restaurant website. Hit enter. Is now analyzing our prompt, designing the full website. And as you can see here, he created a whole website under a minute, a full restaurant page, very nice design. We have also a menu. Wow, that looks amazing. Opening hours, Google Maps integration, review site, crazy good. We can now also edit the site. So here we are at the website builder interface where we can edit all sites, like go on the home screen. We want to have other subtitle text. We can also choose the font style, the text color. He gives us also a tutorial what we can do. We can edit the heading text, update images, update social media links, checking the website on mobile and then go live. So let's try to regenerate an image like this one here, an image of a shop front called Golden Ginger. Hit enter. It's nice, but we forgot to add restaurant to it, to a restaurant front called Golden Ginger. And as you can see, easy as that. Use this image. Is now automatically replacing it. It can't be easier. We can also add elements, add pages. He gives us hints about SEO, how we can improve it, like generate new info for it to have a better Google result. We can adjust the styles. You have also AI tools like a logo maker, a block generator, and so much more. You can also build your own store. Just hit store, add store, and you can add products with online payments. It's just that easy. Once you're ready, you just click go live and your website is ready to go. Back at the panel here at Hostinger, we try to use WordPress now. So we click on add website WordPress. Here we can choose the WordPress admin language, the mail and the password. Hit next. Again, your domain name. You can also use a temporary domain where your target audience will be located. He automatically chooses the best data center for your country to have a faster load time for your target audience. Hit next. He's now installing WordPress automatically on your website. Just sit and relax. Again, we can create the website with AI or use a pre-built website and themes. We are lazy, we are using AI again. Hit next. We want now something customized. We want a dog walking service with packages and a contact formula. We can enhance it with AI. Perfect. We can now choose the editor like Elementor, which is an easy drag and drop builder for fast no-code design, or a WordPress built-in block editor. Let's choose this one. The site language should be English and we hit generate. As you can see on the right, we have an AI assistant to build our website now. What's our brand name? Dog Walkie. He's now building the website for us. And nearly seconds later we have a full website, as you can see here. Perfect design, matching with our dog walking service. It's just awesome. He's now asking us the color palette and the logo. Let's choose colors. We want a blue tone and it's instantly editing our website to our desired color palettes. It's easy as that. If we're finished, we click Finished Customization. He's now asking us if we want to further customize it or set up in the WordPress admin. Here we have a ton of options to set for our desired website. We can manage all things here separately. As we can see here, the domain is active now. We have different tools. We have an overview about our tools here. We can also disable the public access here. We can manage the posts, adding media files, edit the different pages here, as we saw before. Like if we want to edit the home page, just click on edit. Here we can edit our page, just click on the subtitle, for example, adjusted subtitle. On the right you can choose the font style, the margins, the border. You can also ask Cody for assistance. It's very similar to the website builder, just in the WordPress style. Easy. Back at the panel here, we are now at the VPS. I've censored my IP addresses, I'm sorry. We have 2 VPS here. We will demonstrate now deploying a website manually. So if you got your desired VPS, you just hit setup. Again, he's choosing the best server location for you. You can now choose the plain OS Docker application like OpenClaw. We will come to that in a minute. You have different control panels to use and applications which you can install here like WordPress manually. In our case, we want a plain OS Ubuntu. We can select the version. We can now enter the root password for the SSH access. And once the setup is done, it should look like this with your IP address. It should be the status running. You can also manage here things. He's also asking your experience level with VPS hosting. So he will show you some informations. I've used it several times, so I hit that one. I want personal use and what's my plan. A website. Say here at the overview of our server, we see all information like CPU usage, memory usage, incoming, outgoing traffic. Very nice. We can reboot our VPS here. We can change the root password here. We can manage the firewall rules, snapshot and backups. So here we are at the SSH access to our server here. We want now to install everything to deploy our website. First we need Apache 2, so just install it, check the status, it's running. You can also add the firewall rule for Apache here. As we can see, we are now on our server in our browser. I also censored here my IP address of the server, but as you can see, it's ready to use. Now we want to install FTP access. We use this one here, hit enter. Now we have added some settings here. The most important ones are this one here, write enable and root local user yes, save it. You can also optional add an FTP user for it, so you don't use your root access for FTP. Grant the rights. Now restart your FTP. Now add the firewall rules to allow the ports. And now we are ready to go. So here we are at the FTP client. We use WinSCP here. We just connected to our server by entering the FTP user and the password for it. We automatically come to this folder here in our server. We just replaced the index.html, which is the default website we saw before, with our desired one. And as you can see here, we are on our server with our IP address, and he replaced the default Apache 2 website with our website. But you now have the benefit to customize every single file on your server for your desired website. Back at our hosting panel, we want to try the one-click OpenClaw setup now. Go on your VPS, hit setup, choose the server location, go on Docker application, hit OpenClaw, hit select. Here you have a gateway token. You can save it. You can now enter your WhatsApp number or Telegram bot token. This is necessary to communicate with OpenClaw agent. We use the WhatsApp. He's now setting up our VPS with OpenClaw automatically. It's just a click, and as you can see, you don't need any technical knowledge here. Again, we sit back and relax. So once your OpenClaw setup is ready, you come to this page here. Here you have an overview about your OpenClaw VPS Docker Manager. You have access to all settings here. If you want to use OpenClaw now, just click open. Here you enter your OpenClaw gateway token, and here we are in the fully set up OpenClaw interface, ready to use for your use case. Hello. We can now set up our OpenClaw agent here. Time zone Austria. My name is Eigi. Your name is Max. Set up WhatsApp. He now gives us a QR code to link it to WhatsApp. And as you can see, it's just that easy to use OpenClaw on your server. You just need to follow the steps to set up OpenClaw, and then it's ready to use for your use cases. It can't be easier. If you liked Hostinger, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.